Still with us, national trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, now what really stood out to me is probably the big question on everybody's minds, because this is a side part of this case, right? The bigger question, which we're going to get into, is the murder, whether or not it was murder, and how she ended up on fire. But was it an unlawful detainment?
I don't think that the defense attorney was able to show that this was an unlawful detainment. I think what she showed is that it's a good old boy network. It shocked me when it turned out that I think the sheriff or one of them was her daughter Terry Ann was the tenant of one of the law enforcement officers. The whole thing was bizarre. It was disorienting. It showed that she showed that it was a good old boy network, and that later on she's going to argue in her closing argument that, hey, you can't really trust anything that happened here. You have no idea, because at the end of the day, we know when we get into the murder side of it, we know that she was excused. The daughter was excused from the room when the police took a recorded statement. So I think this is part of her narrative to show that anything that the police did and the law enforcement officers did in this investigation is suspect.